Hey everybody, I'm here. Today I'm going to show you how to automate this entire conversation on Instagram using ManyChats in just 30 seconds. Let's go. Tired of answering the same Instagram DMS over and over again? What if you could automate it in minutes? ManyChat is a tool that automates Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp messages so you can save time and never miss a lead. This is just one of the many automations you can create in ManyChat. Every automation starts with a trigger. Triggers tell ManyChat when to launch a workflow. On Instagram, you can use different types of triggers such as when someone follows your account, when they comment on a post, when they reply to a story, or when they send a DM with a specific keyword. In this tutorial, we'll set up a reply to story trigger. Whenever someone messages my account with this word, it will launch the automation. Whenever someone messages my account with this any word in this case, it will launch the automation. You can also configure this to be for specific words. So let's test it out. We'll head over to our Instagram messages and type price. As you can see, ManyChat automatically sent a greeting message and now we have an option. If we click I'm in, it will send the link. Isn't that amazing? This is how you can use automations to qualify and route lead messages in ManyChat. And if you want to see a step-by-step tutorial on how to do this, drop us a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more automation hacks. You can also follow us on Instagram at the Automation Labs. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.